I'm going to show you all of the great colors and where they kind of sit on the spectrum of cool, neutral, and warm categories. And I'm going to start in the middle simply because this is going to suit more people's homes, and this is our countertop bundle in the neutral realm. If you'll comment with the word countertop, it's going to send you the link for all three of these countertops that I'm going to be sharing with you here. So this is a painted on kit, and you'll get everything that you need, including the video that's in this link to see how to do this using our simple tools and methods and the faux pas, just simply stamping it on with your hand, and a very easy way to change your countertops. And if you can see them, they've got a nice pearl luster. They're gorgeous, very realistic looking. So you're kind of doing both. You've got cooler tones and warmer tones that you still have to deal with. And maybe painting the countertops not an option, but if it is, obviously you can turn to this. Let's just show you some gorgeous colors that work really well in what I call this mid-tone or neutral range. This is the color Haven. I'm going to compare those side by side so you can see Irish Garden is lighter, Haven is here. This one is the color Woodlands. So this is the color London. And another thing to note about these colors that have that middle range, they work well over in the cooler shades as well as the warmer shades. They will go between different countertop colors or different colors that you have already in your home. Simply Sage, that's another one, and green, and if you'll comment with the word countertop, we'll send you that link. This is the color Saltwater, just a soft and dainty green. This is Oxford. Oxford is I call it kind of a neutral, again, a warm gray. Great option, again, Putty, just a little warmer, and we'll compare the two Putty together. So that lets you see the warmer tones in Putty up against that cooler Oxford. Both of those great options. Almond is the perfect shade of a white. If you want to have a white that's got a little warmth to it, but it's also has enough coolness that it looks great with the grays in this countertop. And so this is Bone, a soft off-white. Let me compare that to Almond so you can see Bone and Almond together here. It's here in the front, and Almond is just behind it. And of course, if you're new to this, you can comment the word free sample, and we're going to send you along our color card here, and that way you can see from home what these colors are going to look like in your own lighting. So let's start at the top here. This is Cashmere, of course, and Cashmere is a color that would work everywhere. Polo and Mediterranean, those colors are going to look great here with this cool countertop. I'll show you this is Weather Vane and Iron Gate. This is the color Spruce, obviously a cooler shade of green. This is the color Cobblestone, so very close looking here, but obviously a great gray. Been one of our top selling grays ever. Back to Cashmere. Let me show you that with Cobblestone, so you can see both of those together. And of course, I like probably heathered gray with this countertop better. So Cashmere on top, this is Coliseum, our white with that slight gray undertone, and then this heathered gray here, a true gray right on the bottom. So absolutely a beautiful combination. It has a copper in there, if you can see that metallic coming out, and it will be called the warm countertop option. Same process as the others, but let's pair up some colors because you may have the original granite or a Formica that has this dark veining in it. This is a great option for that colorway. If you have that dark, this is a gorgeous color here. This is Envy, and Envy also rides kind of in that neutral realm. It looks great also with the neutral, with this countertop. It really works excellent with the neutral. On here to Crete. Crete has a lot of warmth, a lot of yellows and undertones there. This is a great combination with this countertop. The Warm Embers, that is our blackish brown. Of course, it picks up on all of the dark colors you see here. This is Abbey, and Abbey can kind of ride in the cool and the warm. It can kind of go, it is a chameleon of a color. This is Stonehenge, again, another one of those chameleon colors. I'm going to share all three of these together for you because they all work in harmony with each other. So this is Oyster in the front, Stonehenge, and Abbey. These three colors work great together. This is Manor House, Seadrift, and Tapestry, all three together. So if you want to go toward this palette, very much trending right now, even adding in a green. Look at this, great colorway here to do all of these together. Crete, look at that, Crete, Manor House, Tapestry, and Seadrift. This is a trending color palette, so it is warming up again. So this is Linen and Warm Embers, great combination here. Again, that two-tone kitchen, if you want to lighten your upper cabinets, maybe keep your bottoms a dark or your island a dark color, and then adding in this beautiful countertop for a nice mid-tone contrast. Really a pretty way to do it. So any questions that you have, please post them here in the timeline, and I'll get back with you as soon as I possibly can. And don't forget, comment right here with the word free sample. If you're new to our products and you've never received your free sample, time to get it. If it helped you, and if you have color questions, please ask them.